If your ductless mini-split won't turn on, it can be a frustrating and potentially costly issue. Before attempting any repairs, it's essential to prioritize your safety. Never attempt to handle refrigerant, open-sealed refrigeration systems, or work on live high-voltage circuits. Instead, start by checking the power cord and plug for damage or loose connections. Verify that the thermostat is set correctly and the batteries are not dead. Also, check the air filters for cleanliness and replace them if necessary. If you're still having issues, it's best to call a qualified HVAC technician. They will perform a series of checks, including a visual inspection of the system, checking the power supply and electrical connections, and verifying the thermostat settings and functionality. Depending on the issue, the repair process may involve replacing faulty components, recharging the refrigerant, or cleaning and replacing the air filters and vents. To prevent future issues, be sure to regularly maintain your ductless mini-split, including cleaning and replacing the air filters, inspecting the vents and ducts, and scheduling annual maintenance with a qualified technician.